Today our discussion topic is wrapper class. Now, what is wrapper class? Basically, wrapper class is used to convert our primitive data type to object. What is the primitive data type? Already we discussed in the last session. The last session primitive data type, we have the 8 types of primitive data type. Already we learned at the last session. How many types? 8 types. That one is that integer, character, float, boolean. These all are the 8 types of primitive data types. Clear? So wrapper class is used to convert these primitive data types to its corresponding wrapper class. Now you see boolean. For the primitive data type, what is the wrapper class? That is the boolean. For the byte, capital B, byte, short, all are same except that integer and character. Which one in primitive data type we are using the int? In the wrapper class, that one will be the integer. Which one we are using the char for the storing the character type of values? Here the wrapper class is the character. Now, what is the wrapper class? Wrapper class is used to convert the primitive data type to the object. So, now what is the utility to convert the primitive data type in the object? If you want to pass any function, maybe my function is add. Normally, in case of Java, always the passing value is as a call by value. Clear? If you want to pass here as a reference, so reference of the primitive data type, that time we have to convert this primitive data type in the object. So how to? Using the wrapper class. So now how you can convert a primitive data type in object? Maybe this one is our normal integer type of variable. Now if you convert it in the object, how is it? That for the integer, what is our wrapper class? Just now we discussed that one. You see here, this one is the capital integer. Okay, so we have to use this one. How is it? There are many ways to convert the primitive integer to wrapper class integer. Maybe that one is the integer, maybe x obj. This one is the variable for the integer class. This one, how you can convert it? Directly you can store the normal integer type of variable. This one is known as the autoboxing. It's very important, but that one is known as the autoboxing. Clear? This is the one procedure. You can convert it like this. One more procedure is there. Integer, maybe x obj equal to integer. This one is the class, this one is the method, value of which one? This is a normal variable, that one is the x. If you convert it in the convert the primitive data type to the object of the integer wrapper class, then how is integer x obj equal to integer dot value of, this is not dot, okay, this one is integer, maybe integer x obj equal to integer dot value of x. This one also one more procedure to convert. Clear? So integer x obj equal to, directly you can store the variable something like this also, integer maybe one variable x obj equal to 5. This one also you can do. This all the procedure is known as the autoboxing. The reverse procedure is known as the unboxing. What is the reverse procedure? Something like this. Maybe your just the reverse of this. If I do like this, maybe integer I, this one is a normal primitive data type. Here you can store it x obj. So this one is known as the unboxing, reverse of the autoboxing. This one is the one procedure, and another one more procedure, you can convert it something like this, or you can do it I equal to your what was your variable, that one is your, maybe that object was the xobj dot int value, if you want to convert it int value. Clear? So this xobj, that is the object of the integer, dot int value means it will convert it normal integer. So this one is also known as the unboxing. There is a two procedure you can anyone you can follow, any one procedure you can follow to unboxing. There also is a two procedure, anyone you can follow for the autoboxing. Clear? What is autoboxing and what is unboxing? Autoboxing means normal variable if you want to convert in the wrapper class object, then you follow the autoboxing. And unboxing is just the reverse of the autoboxing, that the object of the wrapper class, if you want to convert it in the normal primitive data type, then we follow the unboxing. Clear? Now one question maybe, why we choose like this, means why we want to convert our primitive data type to the object. There is a lots of utilities are there. Basically one utility is that you can call any type, any function, maybe when you have a object, so you can call the different types of methods, something like this, maybe percent, one method you can call using the object of the wrapper class, maybe toString, compared to this type of functions. If you want to call through the object, then you have to convert the normal variable in the wrapper class object. Then easily you can use any utility method of the wrapper class, something like this, maybe integer x equal to integer, this one is the wrapper class of the integer dot maybe parse int, this one is one method of the wrapper class, is a utility method. If you convert it any string type of value, maybe 1111 4 ones, okay, this is the string value, comma radix of the number, that is the maybe 2, that is what is this 4 1, if you convert it in the binary number, so we can do this one. So what will be the output if you want to print the x, SOPLN x, then what will be the output? The output will be 15. That way, that's the, what is this, means this value if you want to convert it in the integer, normal integer, so 1 ka decimal values, what is the decimal values, that one is the 15. Clear? Opposite, maybe if you want to convert it your integer dot toString, so it will convert it in the string, maybe 15 comma 2 radix 2, if you would convert it in the string type of variable, because I will convert it in the string. So now if you want to print it SOPLNS, so what will be the output? The output will be 1111. So 15, the value of the binary value of the 15. If you convert it, you can convert it like this, integer dot toString. So easily you can call any method using with the help of the wrapper class. This is the one more utility is there, and one more important point is there for the wrapper class. This wrapper class normally stored within the java.lang package, okay, java.lang package. So no need to import any outside package, directly you can use the wrapper class. Now one more important point, just now we discussed that this one is the function add function, here we pass a normal variable. Clear? If you just like this, maybe one more example, if I want to take something like this, void swap, all of you know that one is the call by value, maybe integer a comma integer b. We can swap it these values, so that one is call by value. If I want to call my swap function with the help of the call by reference, so how to do? You have to use the wrapper class, maybe integer a obj, one variable, and one more variable, that one is maybe integer b obj. Clear? These two object you can pass. Why? How you can pass it? Because we are using the wrapper class integer. So easily this one as just like this call by reference. But Java does not support any call by reference. But you can do this one. Now the question is, if I swap these two value, call by value and call by reference, what is the difference? If I swap this value, in case of call by value, within the main, the original value will not be changed. Right? If I swap function with the help of the call by value, if I change this value something like this, t equal to a equal to b, and b equal to t. So this one, the a and b swapped, but this swapped value, the within the main function, original value will not be changed. Why? Because we call the function using the call by value. But if I call the function using the wrapper class, means this one we are passing the object, that one is the reference. So original value within the main function should be changed. It will be changed or not? This is the question. No, that values also will not be changed, though I am passing the value as a call by reference in Java. Why? Because wrapper class is a very important part. Wrapper class, all the values and class is basically final. Clear? Wrapper class basically a final. So that's why the original value also will not be changed. The question may be, what is final? Right? So this part we the next session I will discuss it. Okay. If any question, any doubt, please you leave a comment in the comment box. Okay. Thank you.